Pittsburgh has an awesome community for startups, and we kept hearing the name Ascender popping up. When the applications opened, we had to get an application filled out.
My name is Anya Leman, Innovation Director here at Ascender.
Hi, I'm Nadili Nunez. I'm the Executive Director of Ascender.
We offer educational programs, incubation, expert coaching.
We offer mentorship, so the entrepreneurs get to talk to experts. We offer curriculum. They spend 3 days learning about pricing, business model, competitive analysis.
Right now, we are running the 2022 Pre-Incubation Bootcamp, and we are really excited that this weekend we are welcoming 21 companies that are going to be working with us to refine their business model, connect with local experts, and put together a final pitch.
I'm really inspired to be an entrepreneur because I love knowing that the work that I do has an immediate impact on our customers. I've learned so much throughout my journey that I'm now excited to be able to share that with all the entrepreneurs going through Ascender.
I love the culture at Ascender. I think everyone's been so welcoming and encouraging despite our lack of experience. And it's great to connect with other entrepreneurs too and get some camaraderie and others going through the similar experiences and figuring things out for the first time.
Bootcamp has been really helpful. I would like to kind of lessen my learning curve by taking the experience of others.
So the Ascender Bootcamp has been a great opportunity to talk about business development. Some of the problems we've run into in launching have been problems we've never had to tackle before. Talking to experts in the field and learning from other people who are maybe only a year ahead of us, it's been a great opportunity to get a sense of what sort of stuff we're going to have to handle.
Ascender is helping me figure out what questions are important to stakeholders, whether that's future investors or future customers. They're asking the right questions and forcing me to figure out the answers that I need to have.
One takeaway that I have from this weekend is that when you're building your business, you're not going to climb Mount Everest in a sprint. You have to build a base camp, learn, and then build the next step to actually get to your final goal. And then you can find entrepreneurs who are in your same space who can provide you support and give you hope as you continue on your journey.
This is what we're about. Bootcamp reminds me always of the why we're here, and it's to help entrepreneurs start and grow their businesses. You're an entrepreneur out there, please follow us on social media, sign up for our newsletter so that you can join us next year for Bootcamp or participate in some of our monthly programming.